Imagine you were towing a heavy trailer up a steep grade, or maybe just trying to get your truck to warm up on a freezing morning, and suddenly your engine feels weak, lacks braking power, and that dreaded check engine light pops on. If you have scanned your vehicle and are staring at the code P04A3, do not panic, because we are going to break this down simply. This code is technically described as exhaust pressure control valve B intermittent, and it is very common in diesel engines like those found in Ford, Dodge, Mercedes, Nissan, and Volkswagen trucks. Basically, your truck has a special valve in the exhaust system that acts like a thumb over the end of a garden hose. It creates back pressure to help warm the engine up faster or to help slow you down, which is what we call an exhaust brake. The computer in your truck is upset because the signal it is getting from the sensor that watches this pressure does not match what it expects to see compared to the intake pressure or the outside air. It is seeing a glitch. Now, before you go spending money on parts, let us try the free fixes first, because honestly, the most common cause is just dirt. Locate the sensor for the B valve and find the metal tube connecting it to the exhaust. I want you to take that tube off and try to blow through it. If you cannot, or it feels restricted, that is your problem. It gets clogged with exhaust soot. Take a piece of wire and ream it out until it is clean. While you're there, look closely at the electrical connect. These sit in a hot, vibrating environment. If the wires look melted, rubbed through, or if the metal pins inside look green and corroded, that is likely your issue. Clean them with some contact cleaner or rubbing alcohol. If the tube is clear and wires look good, you need to verify your turbo boost. You should see a boost change of at least 18 psi when you rev the engine. If that checks out, grab a multimeter. You need to make sure the sensor is getting 5 volts of power and has a good ground. If you wiggle the wires while watching your scan tool and the code comes back, you have a loose connection. Only after checking all these free things should you consider replacing the sensor itself.